Welcome to another tutorial on nanoStream, your platform for ultra-low latency, real-time video streaming. I'm Josie from nanocosmos, and today I'm excited to show you how to connect your Telycam 4K PTC camera directly to nanoStream. It has a built-in encoder so you can stream directly from the camera into our platform. Together, we will set up a stable and high-quality live stream. Let's get started. To begin, you will need your Telycam PTC camera, a stable internet connection via LAN or Wi-Fi, access to the camera's web interface, and an active nanoStream account with your stream name and credentials ready. A great advantage of the Telycam is its integrated PTC control. With the included remote control, you can pan, tilt, and zoom the camera smoothly. Ideal for presentations, event productions, or dynamic live environments. First, make sure your Telycam is connected to your network. Then open your web browser and enter the camera's IP address. By default, this is, you can see here. You will now see the login page of the camera. The factory default credentials are username is admin and password is admin. After logging in, the interface opens with a live preview at the top. Below the preview, you will find various configuration tabs such as video encode, audio settings, SRT settings, RTMP settings, and more. This is where we will set up the streaming connection to nanoStream, which for the purpose of this video will be RTMP. In this step, you will configure the RTMP connection to the camera streams directly to nanoStream. In the Telycam web interface, click on RTMP settings. You will see two profiles, main and sub. For this tutorial, we will use the main stream. Since Telycam provides only a single field for the RTMP address, we will enter the complete RTMP publish URL. Enable the main stream by switching the toggle to enable. Your nanoStream dashboard provides a complete RTMP ingest URL. This URL already includes the RTMP stream name, so no separate stream key needs to be entered. Enter the full RTMP address into the RTMP address field. Click Save to apply your settings. Your camera is now directly connected to nanoStream. After saving your settings, the Telycam usually starts streaming automatically. If not, simply check that the main stream toggle is enabled. Now open your nanoStream dashboard and click Watch Stream to see your live stream in ultra-low latency. Thanks to the Telycam integrated encoder, your video is sent directly, while nanoStream delivers it globally with ultra-low latency. Congratulations! You have successfully set up your Telycam PTC camera to stream directly to nanoStream without any additional software. With the built-in PTC control, you can adjust your camera angles or zoom at any time during your broadcast, while nanoStream Cloud ensures your content is delivered reliably and in real time. If you'd like to explore more features or need support, visit our documentation or contact our support team. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips. With nanoStream, real-time video that simply works. See you next time.